Mastering UX design is a journey, a path that moves from basic understanding to professional-level expertise. At its core, UX, or user experience design, is about creating products and services that are not just functional, but also intuitive, accessible, and delightful to use. But what does it really mean to become a master in this field? Let's explore the process, stage by stage, uncovering the essential skills, mindsets, and strategies that transform a beginner into a seasoned UX professional. The journey begins with curiosity. At the beginner level, you may have heard the term UX in conversations about websites or apps, but what does it truly entail? User experience design is the practice of putting users at the center of product development. It's about understanding their needs, behaviors, and pain points, then crafting solutions that address them effectively. As a beginner, your first step is to observe the products you use daily. Ask yourself, why do I enjoy using this app? What frustrates me about that website? This kind of critical thinking lays the foundation for all UX work. Next, you'll want to delve into the principles that underpin great user experiences. Familiarize yourself with concepts like usability, accessibility, and human-centered design. Learn about the importance of clear navigation, visual hierarchy, and feedback. Start exploring the tools of the trade: wireframing, prototyping, and user research. At this stage, resources abound: online courses, books, podcasts, and communities ready to support your growth. But theory only takes you so far. To move from beginner to intermediate, hands-on practice is essential. Begin with small projects. Perhaps redesign a personal website or volunteer to help a local business improve their online presence. Document your process, sketch ideas, create simple wireframes, and articulate the rationale behind your decisions. This is where you encounter real-world constraints and learn to balance user needs with business goals and technical feasibility. One of the most powerful tools in a UX designer's arsenal is empathy. This means more than just imagining what a user might feel. It involves actively listening to people, observing their behaviors, and immersing yourself in their experiences. Conduct user interviews, run usability tests, and analyze feedback without bias. As you gain experience, you'll learn to see patterns and identify opportunities for improvement that others might overlook. As you progress, it's crucial to build a strong foundation in design thinking, a problem-solving approach that encourages you to define problems deeply before jumping to solutions. This method involves 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. By iterating through these stages, you'll develop a mindset that's resilient, creative, and open to feedback. At the intermediate level, collaboration becomes increasingly important. UX design is rarely a solo endeavor. You'll work with developers, product managers, marketers, and stakeholders from various backgrounds. Communication skills are key. Being able to explain your design choices, advocate for users, and negotiate trade-offs. Learn to accept constructive criticism and use it to refine your work. Embrace the iterative nature of design. Rarely is a first draft the final product. As you look to become an advanced practitioner, expanding your knowledge of specialized areas can set you apart. Explore topics such as information architecture, interaction design, and accessibility standards. Deepen your skills in conducting advanced user research, such as ethnographic studies or A/B testing. Familiarize yourself with analytics tools to measure the impact of your designs and learn how to use data to inform future decisions. Building a strong portfolio is essential at this stage. Your portfolio should not only showcase your best work, but also tell the story of your process. Highlight challenges you faced, how you approach solving them, and the impact of your solutions. Include case studies that demonstrate your ability to balance user needs with business objectives, and your proficiency with various tools and methods. Networking and mentorship are invaluable for professional growth. Join UX communities, attend conferences, and seek out mentors who can provide guidance and feedback. Share your knowledge too. Writing articles, giving talks, or mentoring others will deepen your understanding and establish your credibility in the field. To truly master UX design, you must commit to lifelong learning. The field evolves rapidly with new technologies, methodologies, and trends emerging constantly. Stay curious, experiment with voice interfaces, augmented reality, or other emerging platforms. Keep up with industry best practices, and don't be afraid to challenge the status quo. Soft skills are as important as technical expertise. Cultivate resilience, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from failure. Master the art of storytelling. Great UX designers can communicate not just what they've built, but why it matters. Influence is earned by demonstrating the value of UX to diverse audiences, from engineers to executives. As you reach the professional level, your role may expand beyond design execution. You might lead teams, shape product strategy, or advocate for UX at the organizational level. You'll be responsible for mentoring others, fostering a culture of empathy and innovation, and ensuring that user centricity remains at the heart of every project. Remember, mastery is not a destination, but an ongoing journey. Each project, user interaction, and feedback session is an opportunity to learn and grow. The most successful UX professionals are those who remain humble, curious, and passionate about making the world a better place, one experience at a time. In summary, mastering UX design means more than acquiring a set of skills or following a checklist. It's about adopting a mindset of empathy, curiosity, and continuous improvement. It's about balancing creativity with practicality and always striving to create solutions that truly serve people. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, the path to mastery is open to anyone willing to learn, practice, and persist. So take that first step, embrace the journey, and become a catalyst for positive change in the world through the power of user experience design. To continue with a step-by-step learning session, let's meet in next video. Please like and subscribe this channel for more knowledge.